By 2045, the kitchen was no longer the center of the home. Most families still had one, but rarely used it. Daily meals came from automated food networks, faster, cheaper, and healthier than cooking from scratch. In the 2020s, fast food was built on speed, low cost, and habit. It was convenient, but often unhealthy, wasteful, and dependent on human workers doing repetitive, exhausting labor. The breakthrough came when AI connected food science, robotics, and manufacturing. It stopped improving recipes and began designing machines that could build meals from nutrient compounds in real time. By 2045, fast food restaurants had no cashiers, no cooks, and no fry stations. Humanoid service robots handled every order with calm precision, almost human, but not quite. Behind the counter, there was no traditional kitchen. Meals were printed and assembled from cultured proteins, fiber matrices, flavor libraries, and nutrient bases engineered to taste completely familiar. People did not choose AI food because it felt futuristic. They chose it because it was affordable, personalized, instant, and healthier than what most families could cook at home. Home cooking did not disappear overnight. It simply became harder to justify. Grocery shopping, prep, cleanup, and inconsistent nutrition could not compete with automated meals delivered on demand. The benefits were difficult to dismiss. Food waste dropped. Nutrition improved. Food deserts shrank. What used to be called fast food became one of the largest public health systems in the world. But efficiency had a cost. Millions of jobs vanished, family recipes faded, and daily nourishment became dependent on corporate AI systems that knew exactly what people wanted to eat. Some people kept cooking anyway, not because it was practical, but because it was human. For them, cooking became an act of memory, creativity, and cultural preservation. The strangest part of the food revolution was not that fast food survived. It was that it became the opposite of what it once was: healthy, precise, personalized, and almost impossible to beat.